Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, been working on trying to get this sealed up back here for winter time because this door's got all the cracks and everything. I've had the uh, plastic up and over it. But if y'all remember the video I did about a little over 2 years ago when I was doing that storage shed, with money coming down and going to be putting a house and everything there, that shed I was going to build is going to be in the way. That plus I started running out of material, the wood and everything, never brought it home to really work on it. So it's coming apart. I'm going to repurpose that wood and everything. As you can tell, I've got the framework has actually gotten moved in here. So I've already gotten, this is one sheet of 4x8 plywood that was left over from when they did the decking and roof and everything for the house. So it's just been sitting outside. Yeah, it's gotten rotten, but I'm going, this is going to be perfect just to try and block that north wind, because this is a north wall. So that's all I'm doing right now, is trying to get that done. Oh, let's see what I can do on this. Oh. If I don't kill myself. I was wanting help, but that ain't help happening. Oh. Trying to get this in here and held with one hand, getting it all lined up. Not easy. This is the only fun part, trying to do this by myself. No help. Alright, at least I got that part done. And these are just some of the leftover screws. These are just some sheetrock screws I picked up and everything a while back. This ain't gotta look perfect. Main thing is to just try and help block the wind. The only thing I'm after. This ain't rocket science. It ain't gotta look pretty. The only thing I'm looking for, like I said, is block the wind. Fun one's gonna be this one over here. Oh, this is not easy by yourself. Alright, it's hammer time. Because I didn't get it up there the way I needed it, I gotta force it. We gotta force it. Alright. That's up there. That's one of the screws messed up. Trust me, I got plenty of them. Yeah, I'm trying to get this all done tonight before going live. Oh, that one broke. Oh. See what's happening. I gotta trim that. Oh, bear with me. I gotta go get the saw so I can trim it real quick. Tell you one thing, I've been using this Cobalt jigsaw. It's working perfect for stuff like this. There. That's got that. Oh. Now I didn't realize I had it up in the wrong spot. That's why I had to trim it. There we go. Alright, I'm not going to worry about the ones in between. Like I said, got it cut where it fills the top. You know, what? Excuse me. I'll get the other one put in. I'm not going to worry about videotaping it. But, yeah. This is, it's not solid down at the bottom because that's dirt and everything, so I don't have anything I can attach it to there. But this is going to block off, this, I say, if I can block off 90% of that northern air that comes through here, that's going to be perfect, because if anybody remembers seeing a live stream where I had the plastic and everything up, y'all saw that thing moving quite a bit. So, anyways, let me comment, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and if you do subscribe, and I appreciate everybody's put me over the 400. I'm at 401. So I'm getting there on subscribers. I appreciate every single one that has subbed. And if you haven't, please do so and hit that thumbs up, but hit the bell. That way you get all my notifications when I do videos and when I do live streams, which I'll be going live tonight at 7 o'clock Central, along with Wednesday night. Probably going to be doing a live stream on the cooking channel, because that's been the night before Thanksgiving. So got things going to be doing for that. So y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all staying there. So God bless. I got Come over here. I ain't got the remote hooked up yet.